Hey there, Jennifer with Allaware here. If your team lives in Salesforce but still has to jump between tabs to text leads and customers, you'll want to see this. I'll show you how to embed our Talk To Messenger directly inside Salesforce, so your team can send SMS, MMS, faxes, and more right inside Salesforce. Log every message automatically to the right record, and view full communication history in one place. First, you'll want to make sure the Allaware CTI package is installed in your Salesforce org. We have a separate tutorial to walk you through that, which you can check out in the description. Once that's done, open any lead or contact record. Now click the gear icon, followed by Edit Page. From here, we're going to add a new tab, and select the Custom Details option. Name it something like Allaware SMS. Then just drag in the Allaware Custom Manager from your list of components and drop it into that tab. That's your full SMS interface, right inside the record. Hit Save, then activate the page for your whole org or specific user profiles. And that's it. Your team now has SMS built into every lead and contact view. From here, you can see full communication history, including SMS, MMS, calls, call dispositions, call recordings. And if you want to send a new message, just navigate below. You can choose a text, fax, email, or adding notes, and select the phone line that you would like to use. You can even check delivery status and message details right from your Salesforce record. Now you can manage your team more efficiently right where you work every day. See if your reps are following up when they should be and how leads and contacts are responding. Reps get full context for every SMS conversation, so account handoffs go seamlessly, and customers don't have to repeat themselves. If your team uses Salesforce for everything but texting, you're missing out on key deal context. Manage smarter with full conversation history using our Talk To Messenger integration.